This is our one bedroom at the Wilderness Lodge. As you enter, there's a really nice galley kitchen, stainless steel range, microwave, drip coffee maker, lots of storage in here. There's also a stainless steel fridge, which actually has an ice maker, which is great, keeping your beverages cold. There's a really convenient pantry. We went shopping and put all our food in here, along with a toaster oven and ice bucket, everything that you'll need. And through the galley kitchen, there's a very large dining table, plenty of seating. And the living area has a pull-out couch, which we did not use on this trip. The couch was comfortable. I don't know how the pull-out would be. Nice little leather chair. We have a room with a connecting door. It was actually quite quiet. We didn't hear the people next door much at all, so that was really, really nice. Beautiful big TV and a dishwasher. For this room, we had a really nice view of the lodge across the way and the main pool. And it's a fairly large, big connecting balcony. So here's a view of the living area again. What's really nice is all the woodwork and all the floors are this nice laminate. There's a stackable washer and dryer. They did include some washing liquid soap, powdered soap, I'm sorry. There's a large closet on the way in. Extra pillows, blankets, laundry basket, ironing board, iron, luggage rack, safe. The safe was reasonably sized. You can fit a laptop in there or a small purse. There's a cute little cubby hole area here for storage of things. I found this convenient for a jacket and for some shoes. There's also some little drawers too. Lots of storage in this room. This is the bathroom. Main bathroom with vanity, toilet, shower. Shower's quite nice. There's the rain shower head. There are the H2O products. Nicely tiled. And there's also a handheld shower head. It was actually quite nice. Very large shower. There's a connecting door into a second vanity. And it's a pocket door, slides in and out. Very quiet though. It's a large vanity as well here, with a very big tub, some beautiful sort of glass, stained glass between here and the master. It's nice because you can't see through it, but it gives you some color in this bathroom. Otherwise everything's all gray tones. One thing that I enjoyed was the lighted makeup mirror, so it was very convenient for getting ready in the morning. And what was nice is this is very bright. I've been in some Disney bathrooms that are rather on the dark side. Going into the master bedroom, There's a very large full-length mirror, so as you're getting ready for the day. A small little desk area, cute little stool. Some cute artwork on the walls here. Basically, it's the nod to the Pacific Northwest, I guess. Otherwise, you know, we found the room and the furnishings very functional, but a little bit just basic. So not as much kind of theming as we might have thought. Very big king-size bed in the one bedrooms. The headboard is very cool. Telephone by the bed. There's a nice lighted wardrobe in the master area as well. Give you a view of that. And again, another nice big TV from the master. What was nice as well as these lights, both above the bed, the pod lights, and the reading lights were individually controlled, so one person could have the light on, the other could have that light turned off. And we had a very nice view from this particular room. So if you see off to the far right is the main pool. You will get a little bit of noise carryover. We could hear the boats, we could hear the the activities director at the pool at certain times, but it wasn't too bothersome at all. We found this to be a very quiet resort. And again, there's another seating area off of the balcony from the master that connects through to the living room. And while we were here, we actually had a bird that nested right up into the eaves. So can't quite see him there, but it was kind of cute. He was there throughout our stay. Made the balcony a little messy. Maybe you can see it here. Some of the remnants of the nest partly fell down when we were here, but it didn't bother us. We used the balcony and the bird used the balcony as well. So I'll take one last walk through so everybody can see the room. What's really cute is the railroad ties that they have up above in the kitchen area, so a little bit of again, a nod to that Pacific Northwest theming. And so there you have it. There was our one bedroom at the Copper Creek DVC at the Wilderness Lodge.